Alright, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, please do subscribe for lots of Tesla accessories, news, and other EV drives and reviews. But today, I've got my helper here, and we are going to be checking out a new set of wheel covers from Basenor, which I'm a big fan of their interior accessories. So let's get these opened up, check them out, and installed in the car. And then, let's drive. Alright, so I'm excited to share today, thanks to my friends at Basenor, their new version of these Tesla wheel covers, which are pretty cool because they just pop right on. They've got these clips on there that'll hold it right onto the wheel itself, and because they go rim to rim, it'll offer some nice protection, help with the rim rash that every Tesla seems to end up inevitably getting as a rite of passage. And I like the look of these, kind of really darked out black that's going to go nicely with some of the other accents on the car. So, and then they also come with these, actually two sets of these, is this even two? This looks like a lot more stickers. Maybe three sets of these little sticker pads with the Tesla logo that go right in the center of the wheel to make it look pretty cool. So these will go right like that. Something like that. So all we've got to do first is just get off the old wheel covers, and then I'll show you how these ones go on. Alright, so as you can see, the wheel covers just come straight off, so no matter which version you have, if you've got the default Aero wheels from the factory, those will come off nice and easily too. You can actually just use this little orange pry tool to do it quite easily and safely without scratching anything up. So I highly recommend that. And you might even find that you just like the look without the covers on. But I think these are going to look pretty cool with it on there. So first, before we get it installed, just one little prep piece to do here. We've got this long kind of foam strip. And we've got 4 of those, one for each cover. And we're just going to kind of stick that on, wrap it around the outside here, which is going to help it help protect it from scratching up the actual rim, and yeah, let it kind of sit on there nicely. So we're going to do that now. Alright, so now we've got that little foam ring, I guess, around here. Just a nice little sticker that went on, and that means next up all we've got to do is just pop this right onto the tire. So let's do that. So we've got, looks like the way to get this lined up is there's a hole here for the valve stem, so we'll get that part on first, and then all we should really have to do is just kind of push it on. And it's got these really nice, firm, it's got like this metal ring here that's going to kind of go around the central piece of the wheel, and then you have all of these nice metal clips on here that are going to hold it on really firmly and nicely, so you don't have to worry about this falling off or flying off on the highway or anything like that. Alright, perfect. That was pretty easy. So just kind of line it up and then make sure that you've got the clips between each of the sort of spokes of the wheel, and then just kind of go from the center and then work around in a circle to get it nice and secured on. So that looks nice, and let's just do the little final finishing touch here with the Tesla center part. Finish it off with this little Tesla logo sticker, which I quite like. So we've got a sticker on the back side here to make it nice and sticky. There we go. I like there's a little recess there that makes it perfect to put in. Alright, so now let's get the other ones on. Alright, now one of the other things I really like about this is these come packaged individually, so even though it's a little bit more cardboard, you know that each cover is going to be secured and not going to scratch up against each other when they're shipped. So that is very nice. Alright, here's our look with both on, and I think that looks pretty nice, pretty sick. It's a nice look with the extra sort of cutouts there, the like turbine look. No, we've got 2 helpers here.
Do you want to do a red or a white?
They just did this one? Alright, well, I guess we're not going to have our stickers aligned in the same direction, but that's okay. They never always seem to get misaligned anyway, them after you drive more than about 10 feet. Alright, so let's get the last one on now.
No, in the circle, in the circle.
Looking good, guys. Yeah, make sure it's lined up. There you go, nice. Alright, push it on. There you go, good job, team.
He scratched it a little.
It's okay. Alright, looking good, guys.
Except for that one.
Yep. Alright, so Anders, tell me again what you think of them.
Good, because the tires in the front, on this side, they don't match at all, and it looks cool.
It looks cool because they're different color than the tire, than the tire you said.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And it matches the rest of the car more.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah, and also our neighbor who has a Model Y came by and was looking at them, and he said he really likes them as well. He's got the turbine wheels on his gray Model Y. He said these look really cool. They're tough. They're tough. So yeah, I like these ones. We'll see. You know, I usually get a lot of questions and stuff about the different wheels, just where to get them and what looks different about them and stuff. So I think these ones are going to be quite popular. And so one thing I didn't realize was it's actually different sets of these that are little sticker inserts here. So we've got, of course, the black and gray logo on there, which I think looks really nice. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Then you've got these ones with the red logo, kind of going back to the old like PAD versions. And oops, then these last ones that are just blacked out ones, which are pretty cool too. So that's really nice that they give you all 3 options, so you can kind of customize the way that you like. Alright, well, I think those look fantastic. I'm really happy with these. Thank you, Basenor, for sending these on over for us to check out, and turned out to be a fun family activity somehow for us to get these on, but I'm not complaining. Came out really nice with everybody's help. So if you're interested in getting your own set, check out the link down in the description below. You can actually get these through Amazon, which is fantastic. Make sure to use my link because you'll get the best price and help support the channel as well. Well, with that, thank you so much for watching, and see you out there on the road.